welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video I'm going to show you how you can fill up your pre-arrival information for Vietnam. Before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe right now. So guys, a lot of countries are going for this electronic mode of pre-arrival submission. Even India has gone to, and I have already made a video where I have shown you how you can do this on your desktop device, be it your laptop, desktop, etc. But today I'm going to show you how you do it on your mobile device, because this website is even mobile friendly. So I've opened this website here. When you come for the first time, you need to click on create and submit pre-arrival information. You need to enter the captcha. I'm very bad in doing this, but hopefully I'll pass. Yippee, I was. So first of all, select your nationality. Okay, now for the purpose of this video, because in this video you also need to enter your visa information if it applies based on your nationality. I'm gonna select a nationality that does not need a visa. Okay, but yeah, process remains the same. The only thing you need to do in that case is you need to provide the visa number. Okay, so I select UK, but do it as per your own case. So expected arrival date, you when you're traveling, and you can do up to 3 days. So today, tomorrow, day after. So passenger information, trip, review, submit. So like 4 tabs are there, so I select this one. You need to upload your passport image, and it's always good to passport type. Most of us will have popular passport. Yeah, popular passport, most of us will have this. Passport number, do it as per your own case. I have filled in some more information like passport number, date of expiry, full name. Everything should match with your passport. Date of birth, phone number, and email address. You need to do. See visa information. This is the section. Now if you go, there are multiple options. So I selected UK because UK nationals are exempt. Okay, so I can select bilateral exemption, then visa. Oh, sorry, not bilateral. What are the things I have? Default visa exception by country. Yeah, UK citizens don't need visa. That's why this visa number field has become non-mandatory. Okay, even disabled, I think. Yeah, all right. So I need to put phone number, email address. I'm gonna put this, and then I'm going to the next tab, trip information. If you have more than one passenger traveling with you, click on add passenger. Generally in case of family members and all, this is required. Now we are in the tab 2, trip information. Departure country before arrival in Vietnam. First point of departure if transiting through multiple countries. So let's say in this case United Kingdom. Purpose of travel, let's say travel. Okay, flight code. Wow. Type of accommodation where you're gonna say. So I select hotel. Select hotel, province. Everything is auto populated. Your workplace information and date of departure you need to enter. So I put some sample. Okay, now we can go to the next, review and submit. Here just review everything should match with your passport. In case of any changes are required, go back and then make the changes. Otherwise you need to click on this checkbox and submit. Of course I'm not going to do so, but you got an idea how this works. So that is how it works, guys. Let me know what you feel about it. Thanks for watching this, and please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.